Hey guys, it's Todd here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple Discord server. And what I mean by that is, I'm not going to go like super into detail on like, for example, like adding bots, everything to do with roles. Like, I'm not going to show that stuff. Maybe in a more advanced tutorial later on. But I'm just going to be showing you guys the basics, like how to create these text channels, categories, voice chats, how to get an AFK channel. I'm going to show how to add roles, but I'm not going to show like everything. If you guys want me to do a video about all that stuff, then come. But to make a Discord server, all you have to do is on the left hand corner of your screen, find this plus sign, click on it, click on create a server. Now you're going to want to name it whatever, so I'm just going to name it. The name fits in perfectly. And if you want to change your icon, just browse your files. For example, if I just wanted that one, I chose that. Yeah, and you can change the server region by clicking on change point wherever. For example, if you're in Japan, you can click on Japan and there's the server. Then what you do is click on create. It'll give you a link to send. You can set this link to never expire. Some link settings. That's not important. So now it automatically makes a text channel and a voice channel for you and puts you in. What you can do now is click on the edit channel thing and name it whatever you want. So channel topic doesn't really matter because I don't think there's really anyone to read this. Then this is if you want to limit how much people send messages, like seconds, I believe. Oh, how dare I forget to save my unsafe changes. Just down the permissions. Not gonna go through all of these, but what they are, you guys can mess around with them. Say an X, then that means it's forbidden if you click on check mark. But if you like this, it basically means check mark. These are invites which you don't have to worry about. And then you can delete your channel by clicking on this. Then it's gone. But there'll be no text channel. So what you're gonna do, click on here, click on create channel, name it whatever. Or you can click on this to make it a voice. And there's this chat here. The bitrate, just leave it as it is. Alright, don't mess with this bitrate stuff right here. You can limit the amount of users up to 99 for a limit, or just leave it on normal. Again, here's permissions. Now you can also right click here, create a category, which is like this whole part right here. So let's just say like memes category. Right click on it. There, I got Uganda Knuckles chat. Then voice channel, clicking. Now you can go in the meme zone. Now if you go up to top right corner up here and click on, there's create category up here as well, but you can already do that. And channel, but you can already do that here. You can go to server settings and this AFK channel. What that means is if people are just going AFK in the voice chats and they are just taking up spots and not there, you can make like a certain chat for it. So like you can set timeouts for like this stuff. So if someone's AFK for 5 minutes, then we automatically move to this F chat now. And basically they won't be able to talk. And only the creator of the servers basically can turn it off or on. But by default, anyone who's moved here is just automatically muted. But when they move to a new voice chat, they'll be automatically unmuted. There's this new members channel. Alright, so basically what happens is you can set it to whatever. So this, for example, and whenever someone joins, you'll say like, welcome, whoever. And there's like a ton of different messages. It's not just one. Moderation. This is just like security. Read through this stuff if you want. I'm not going to read. There's roles. I'm going to show you how to create a role, but not all of the stuff. So just click on this little plus icon right here in the role, whatever. Then you can choose a color for the role. You can choose a color for the role right here. Then, or you can choose a custom color like this, the little color slider, and just get whatever. The roles for the. I'm just going to show this too. So this displays the roles of these people differently from everyone else. I gave myself that role, then I appear here, and I would be like different from everyone else. I should say. I guess I could say that. And then also this allow anyone to mention this. That means if I'm typing in the chat, I can type the @, then it will appear. But if there's like a ton of different roles, and type it on your own. on enter, and then you can say like that, and you'll mention anyone with the role. And yeah, and if you want to get rid of someone's role, just click in their profile here, and then click on the X on whatever role. If you want to rechange your server profile picker name, just go back to the server settings thing on the first page right here, all this stuff. So yeah, that is how to make a simple Discord. If you have any other video suggestions, comment below. And again, if you want me to make a more advanced tutorial on a Discord, comment below. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Your like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you around more, and goodbye.
Another window.